Let's talk about invoicing. Old invoices, new invoices, every week, every month, whatever your process looks like. Do you get overwhelmed when it comes down to the invoicing and just got bogged down with time, that you're taking too much time putting in line by line all of your invoices, wondering how you could streamline this process? Well, good news, that is what we are going to be talking about today in this QuickBooks tutorial. We are going to go step by step how to add products and services into your QuickBooks Online so invoicing can be super efficient, easy, and won't take you much time at all. But if you are new here, thank you so much for joining. Welcome to our channel. My name is Katrina. My business partner Cheryl and I own and run Empower to Profit, where we work with small business owners just like you to help them make better financial decisions and help put more of their business profit into their pocket. Because if you aren't making any money running and owning a business, then is it really even worth it? So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button below, go ahead and like this video, and let's hop right into today's tutorial. So let's hop right into QuickBooks and get started on products and services and how you can make it more streamlined and more efficient and get all of the data into one place to make invoicing really quick and easy. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to come over here into our sales tab. At the bottom, you're going to see products and services. You're going to go ahead and click on that. And it's best to think of this area in your QuickBooks as a like digital catalog of what your services are, what your products are. This is where you can house everything. So when you are ready to go ahead and send out an invoice, it's already there for you, and it makes it a lot easier to just kind of click and go and send an invoice. So if we have a few different options, and this is a sample company, so there are a few items in here already. And what we're going to do, let's say you have a new product that you want to add. So we're going to go ahead up to the corner here and click new. And let's say we're adding a new service. So our new service is going to be, let's say, marketing. So we're going to go ahead, you can name it anything you like, just so it's easy to identify. And whatever you put in here, you're going to want to be able to reference and organize accordingly. And you're going to select a category. Now, you want to make sure when you're selecting a category that you are listing it as income. So new, let's say this is marketing. This is a new category. Your income amount, we can list it under services, or we could create a new one as well under income. So let's just do it so you're familiar with what that looks like. So this is a service income. Now they do give you an option to turn on the sales tax option. This is a helpful option for most, but not all. This is where it comes into play knowing how your state works with sales tax. Every state has a website where you can go ahead and research what you are billing your client or customer, whether it be a marketing service, an accounting service, a design service, a contractor service, photography, or if you are billing for a specific product. All those things should be listed on the state as well. I have also found that on these state websites, they list phone numbers as helplines that you can call and get some help there. So we're going to leave sales tax for another video, but that is an option you have here, but it does take a little bit of walkthrough to set that up. And we can save and close that. Let's say we have another product that we are adding, and we're doing marketing and photography. We're going to leave that as its own line. The income account, we can leave as services. That's fine. Save and close that. All right, so the next thing that we are going to look at is how to add a product to QuickBooks. So again, we're going to go to new. We're going to go to a non-inventory item, if you do keep inventory, you can add it as an inventory item, but it is going to make you then keep track of your inventory. So for this, we're going to select a non-inventory item. And let's say that I'm selling books. This is going to be product sales. I can write a description if I want. Bedtime stories. You can put in a price. Let's say I sell these for $15, and my income account is going to be products. You can list them as sub-accounts if you want. If you don't have, I wouldn't recommend doing that unless you really specifically want to see that broken out on your profit and loss report. And there are other reports that you can use to see your products broken out. I wouldn't necessarily advise doing it for your profit and loss report. So it's reminding me that this might be a sales tax item, and I don't want to set that up. So I'm going to skip it for now. But again, the sales tax option is there for you. Save and close. So now I have added these items to my list of products or services that I offer to clients. So when I do go to create an invoice, everything is already listed out, and I don't need to be adding everything or separating everything into an invoice. I can just come here, select what I want. I'm selling books. How many books am I selling to this person? I'm selling 10 of the bedtime stories. You see how it pre-fills all of that? And this tax button, you can unclick it or reselect it. And I'm going to add my photography. This one did not have a preset rate, but let's say that's $100. That's not a taxable thing in my state. You can add a message to your invoice here, add a discount if you'd like. And then you're going to select your customer here, put in their email address, select your terms. If this has not been set up, that's something that you can set up as well. But for now, we're just focusing on the product and the sales. So we are going to, it's probably going to make me select a customer. Save and close that. All right, so now that has been created as an invoice. So let's fast forward now and let's go see what this looks like on your profit and loss report. So we're going to come over here to select reports, profit and loss. And then this is where you're going to see everything broken out of what it would look like on your profit and loss report. So that's where you're going to see all of your services listed out, sales of products listed out, and you can select that and open it. And it will give you broken out transaction by transaction, what that looks like in QuickBooks, what you sold for that time frame of the report. One other thing I just want to note is if you are looking to bulk add products and services, maybe if you're importing from QuickBooks Desktop or a different accounting software, or you had them listed in an Excel sheet, you can hit import here. And you can just select the spreadsheet, download that, and then it will walk you through step by step how to import that into QuickBooks. So that's an option as well. And if you select to manage, what that will do is it's going to give you a list of the products categories that you've created. So let's say things are getting a little messy or you're not offering something anymore. or you don't like the way that things are filtering through your profit and loss, you can go ahead and edit that from here, change the name, create it into subcategories. So it's kind of like a parent-child breakdown. So there's lots of options to make it look like something that really is helpful for you on your profit and loss report, something that's really super efficient when you're going to create invoices for those clients. And invoicing is a very important part of running a business because that's how you're getting revenue into the business account, which is how you put more profit into your pocket. So I really hope that was helpful for everybody today. Not that difficult to do. It does take a little bit of setup time on the front end, but once you do get those products or services entered into QuickBooks, it's really going to make your invoicing a lot more streamlined, a lot more efficient. If you have any questions, we are always available in chat. And don't forget, cheers to profit. Wait, hold up. I almost forgot the most important part of this video, if you can believe it or not. We are actually doing a huge end of year, Black Friday, Happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas sale that I almost forgot to mention to you guys. It's so incredible. I don't know how it even left my brain, but I wanted to present it to you, our YouTube followers, first. This hasn't even launched yet. It's still in the making. We're still getting it all set up to go. But what we are doing for our followers, for our students, for our clients, we're selling this complete toolbox for only $24, which is a little bit crazy, but we wanted to do something really special for the end of this year, just to show how much we really appreciate our following, our students, everybody reaching out in socials, and we wanted to help as many people as possible. So you might be asking yourself, what's actually included in this toolbox? Is it really something that would help benefit me and my business? So let me just give you the rundown of what is included in that, and I'll let you guys be the judge of if it's worth $24. $24. You're probably spending that more on a Target run after you drop the kids off for school, or picking that up through fast food after work while you're taking the kids to a sports practice or something like that. But anyway, what's included? You are getting the full QuickBooks Confident course. This is where we are walking you through how to set up your QuickBooks, how to manage your QuickBooks, how to read your reports. All of that is included. We are including our pricing calculator. This is a downloadable template you can use. Our CEO dashboard. This is what we use in-house with our clients. The Empower to Profit guidebook. This is a book that helps walk through the process. You can go through, highlight things, go back to it, read it as many times as you need. And our list that we give to clients in our masterclass of a list of over 70 tax deductions that small business owners often forget or don't know about to help reduce their tax bill. We are selling that complete bundle, the whole toolbox, for only $24. Trust me, you are not going to want to miss this deal. We sell one of those items for more than $24 on its own, let alone the whole toolbox, only $24. So please send us a comment below. Let us know somehow if you are interested. You guys are the first to hear about this end of year amazing opportunity, lots of tools, only $24. I hope you guys jump on it. I hope you use everything in it. Let me know what you think about it. I would love to hear it. And again, cheers to profit.